This tutorial will show you how to find scholarly books in the HCC Library Catalog. Make sure you are logged in before you start searching. Your borrower ID is your student ID number. Your PIN or password is the last 4 digits of that number. After you log in, click on Advanced Search. This will give you more search options. In the first search bar, type University Press in quotation marks. This way, only scholarly books will show up in the results. In the second search bar, type your topic. Now you want to select Books as your material type, and make sure that you are searching the catalog of your home campus. I am at South Shore, so that's what I will choose. The results are going to show me print books available on the shelf at the South Shore Campus Library. Notice that the publishers of my results are University Press. For example, this first one was published by Princeton University Press. However, the author is the same person as my topic, Thomas Jefferson, which would make this a primary source and therefore not scholarly. Remember, a primary source is a source that is produced at the same time as the event you are studying. If you see any encyclopedias or dictionaries in your results, they are reference sources and are also generally not considered scholarly sources, even if they are published by a university press. Many of these other books could be great sources, even though they do not have my topic, Thomas Jefferson, in the title. If I click on Details, I can see that he is discussed in this book, so I could go ahead and use it as a scholarly source for my paper.